Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by enabling cloud recording in the Zoom web portal. This is required for Zoom's automated transcript. Once done, make sure you set the audio language and recording layout. This affects accuracy. You, as host, must also allow recording and check that participants consent. Next, select a good microphone and quiet environment because cleaner audio yields a better transcript. Now begin the meeting and hit record to cloud. Zoom will process audio after the session ends. Once the meeting ends, Zoom processes the recording and creates a transcript file. This can take minutes to hours depending on length. You go to Recordings in the Zoom web portal, find the session, and click the recording to view files. Download the VTT or Transcript.txt for local editing, or use Zoom's built-in editor to fix speaker labels and misheard words. Make sure to play audio while editing, because automated captions can mistranscribe technical terms and names. You finish by exporting the corrected transcript as VTT or TXT so it integrates with video players or documentation. Then share the file or recording link from the Zoom portal and adjust access permissions. Make sure collaborators can view or download files. If you don't see a transcript, first confirm cloud recording was enabled and processing completed. Also verify the meeting audio was clear. Low-quality audio or unsupported language prevents transcription.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.